In this video lecture, we will discuss how to start a WordPress blog in 2022. Do you want to start a WordPress blogs the right way? We know that starting a blog can be a terrifying throw, especially when you can not geekly. Guess what? You are not alone. Having helped over 4 lakhs users create a blogs, we can decide to create the most comprehensive guide on how to start the WordPress blogs without any technical knowledge. The process is easy to follow whether you are 20 years old or 60 years old. However, if you need to help, our expert team will help you set up your blogs for free. What do you need to start a WordPress blogs? There are 3 things to need to create a WordPress blog. The first one is a domain name idea. The second one is a web hosting account. And the third one is your undivided attention for 30 minutes. Yes, you read it right. You can start a blog from scratch in less than 30 minutes, and we will walk you through a whole progress step by step. In this tutorial, we will cover how to register a custom domain name for free, how to choose the best web hosting, how to install a set of WordPress blogs, how to change your blog design template, how to write your first blog post, how to customize WordPress blogs with plugins, and so many things we will discuss in this same video. The first one, setup. The biggest mistake beginners make when building a blog is choosing the wrong blogging platform. Thankfully you have, so you will not make this mistake. For 95% of users, it make more sense to use WordPress.org, also known as self-hosting WordPress. Why? Because it is open source, meaning 100% free to use. You can install plugin, customize your blog design, and most importantly, make money from your blog without any restriction. WordPress is also the number one website platform used by its successfully blogs. To put in perspective, 42% of all websites on the internet use WordPress. In other words, you need a domain name and web hosting. A domain name is what people type to get to your websites. It's your website address on the internet. Think google.com or webbeing.com. A domain name typically costs around $14 per year, and web hosting plans normally cost $8 per month. Here we discuss some hosting platforms. Let's suppose Bluehost is one of the oldest web hosting companies on the internet. They're also the largest brand name when it comes to WordPress website, because they host millions of websites, including many of our own. On the top of this, Bluehost has been working with WordPress since 2005, and they are committed to giving back. That's why they have promised us that if you cannot get your blog online within 30 minutes by the following this tutorial. And the second step is the installation of WordPress. Why you sign up with the new version of Bluehost using our link, you will automatically install WordPress for you. This new version was recently launched and make it easier for non-tech users or creating these blogs. What this means, in you simply needed to log into your Bluehost account and then click to login to WordPress button and go to the start. Once WordPress is set up, you have already customized your blog's appearance to make it your own and started blogging. The third step is selecting your WordPress theme. The visual appearance of your WordPress blog is controlled by blog themes. When you first visit your blog, it will look something like this. It is not only appearance to most people. Customizing the look and feel of your blog is by far one of the most exciting and rewarding part of the journey of creating your WordPress blogs. There are thousands of pre-made WordPress themes that you can install on your site. Some of them are free of them, while other are paid premium themes. You can change your theme by going on your WordPress dashboard and click on appearance and then click on themes. Go ahead and click on the add new button. One of the next screen you will able to search from 9100 plus free WordPress themes. You are available on the official wordpress.org theme directory. You can sort by popular, latest featured as well as other features and filters. And the fourth step is creating your first blog post. To write a blog post, click on the post and then click on add new menu in your WordPress dashboard. You will screen an editor area where you can write your first blog post. WordPress uses a blog based editor where each element is a block. This allows you to create beautiful content layouts for your blog post. To familiarize yourself with the editor. Once you have done writing, go ahead and click on the publish button on the top right corner of the screen to make sure your blog post publicly available. On the posts screen, you will notice several other sections such as categories and tags. You can use these to organize your blog post into screen section. You have a great write up on the difference between categories versus tags, which we highly recommended that you read. To utilize all the features on the post screen, you should read our article on how to add a new post in WordPress, the video. This link put it we in the description. It covers how to embed embedded video and blog images, headings, table of content, subheaders, bullet list, call to action button, social media post, and all other shortcuts you needed. Often beginners and confused between post and pages. Menu in the WordPress dashboard. That's why we have to write the complete guide on this article link. The link will be put it in the description. And this fifth step is plugins and customizing. Once you written your first sample blog post, you probably want to get started with adding other usual elements on your website such as contact forms, galleries, sliders, emails list, forums, etc. To add all these additional features, you need to use plugins. WordPress plugins are apps that allow you to add new features to your website without writing any code. There are over 59,000 WordPress plugins available on the free WordPress plugin directory alone. This means to matter what you want to accomplish there on a plugin for it. How to create a contact form in WordPress. Every website needs a content form. It always uses to email and directly. Since WordPress doesn't come with a built-in contact form, you will need a WordPress form builder plugin to add to contact your own site. We recommended you to WP Forms Lite plugin. It is a free version of popular WP Forms plugin, which is one in our list of best contact form plugins for WordPress. Over 4 million websites use WP Forms. The sixth and last step is making money from your blogs. Now that you have creating your personal blogs and customized it to your liking, you are probably wondering how can I actually make money blogging. There are a lot of different ways to successfully monetize your blogs. However, this is no such thing as a great rich quickly scheme. Don't be fooled by the picture of expensive cars and because these are like fame. The first one is Google Adsense. Many bloggers make money by showing ads on their blog. If you make a blog with monetize in mind, the Google Adsense is the best way to do this. It is the largest advertising platform for bloggers and publishers, acting as a middleman between you and the advertiser. Google allows advertisers to bid for keywords matching your content. This allows you to get the best rate possible for the ads. Affiliate marketing is the second most commonly used monetized strategy among bloggers. Basically, you recommended your favorite product services for your readers, and when they make a purchase you get a referral commission. The key of affiliate marketing is recommended high quality traffic, products and services that you already use and trust. There are plenty of affiliate marketing plugins and tools for WordPress that can help you make more money when promoting affiliate products. We recommended using Pretty Links or 30 Link Affiliate as a must have. The third one is online stores. Many bloggers make money by the selling their directly from their blogs. This could be physically product, digital downloads like ebooks, artwork, music, and more. Some bloggers even offer consulting services. We recommended using WooCommerce because it is the best e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It is also the most commonly used e-commerce platform in the world. For detailed instruction, see our guide on easily creating an online store using WordPress. This link will be put it in the description. Some broker does not want to hassle of creating a store to sell their own products, so that creating Amazon website store which lets them sell the people's products from Amazon and earn the commission. Thank you very much.